फाउंडेशन पब्लिक स्कूल में किया गया वार्षिक दिवस का भव्य आयोजन। फाउंडेशन पब्लिक स्कूल में वार्षिक दिवस अत्यंत उल्लासपूर्ण एवं भव्य तरीके से मनाया गया। कार्यक्रम का केंद्रीय विषय रहा वसुधैव कुटुंबकम अर्थात संपूर्ण विश्व एक परिवार रखा गया, जिसने पूरे समारोह के वातावरण को एकता, प्रेम, सद्भाव और वैश्विक भाईचारे के संदेश से सराबोर कर दिया। कार्यक्रम का शुभारंभ मुख्य अतिथि दिनेश कौशिक और माननीय विशिष्ट अतिथि बहादुरगढ़ नगर परिषद अध्यक्ष सरोज राठी के द्वारा दीप प्रज्वलन से हुई। इसके बाद विद्यार्थियों द्वारा गणेश वंदना और सरस्वती वंदना प्रस्तुत की गई, जिसके बाद प्राचार्या मोनिका राठी ने अतिथियों का स्वागत किया। अपने संबोधन में उन्होंने कहा कि हम सब एक ही वैश्विक परिवार के सदस्य हैं। विश्व के प्रत्येक व्यक्ति की खुशी, सुरक्षा और उन्नति एक दूसरे से जुड़ी हुई है। विद्यार्थी यदि छोटी उम्र से ही नैतिक मूल्यों तथा सार्वभौमिक भाईचारे की भावना को अपनाएं तो समाज अधिक सुरक्षित, सुंदर और शांतिपूर्ण बन सकता है। इसके बाद विद्यार्थियों द्वारा प्रस्तुत सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रमों ने दर्शकों को मंत्रमुग्ध कर दिया। कक्षा नर्सरी से 12वीं कक्षा तक के विद्यार्थियों ने विभिन्न प्रस्तुतियों के माध्यम से थीम को जीवंत किया। कार्यक्रम के दौरान मंच का संचालन कक्षा 11वीं के छात्र खुशाल और कक्षा 12वीं की छात्राओं मानसी और माही द्वारा विद्यालय की शिक्षिका डॉक्टर नरेश कुमारी के नेतृत्व में किया गया। सभागार गगनभेदी तालियों से गूंज उठा। सभी बच्चों ने शानदार आत्मविश्वास, टीम वर्क और रचनात्मकता का परिचय दिया।
We are happy to share the glad news that our students of grade 10th and 12th who appeared for session 2024 to 2025 in board examination passed with flying colors. They achieved 100% result in both. Starting from the toppers of grade 12, Udeshya Khanna topped in school with Ruhani secured second position with 92%, Yogita secured 92%. Komal qualified, one of our bright student Komal qualified NEET exam and enrolled in AIMS Jammu. From class 10th, Prashant secured 94.6%, Kushal Rathi secured 93.8% and Payal secured 90.6%. Students securing above 90% are more than 80% of students. These accomplishments underscore the presence of our students and the tireless guidance provided by our hardworking teachers. We are having the cash prizes which we already delivered to these students. Now it's turn to briefly summarize our co-curricular and extracurricular activities. The school firmly believes in the overall development of the students. Also we develop their mind with body and their soul. Throughout the year, a rich variety of co-curricular and extracurricular activities we conduct, ensuring that every child has opportunities to explore and enhance their talents, which you are showcasing today. Debate and other extracurricular activities we create in our school, inter-house competitions, quiz, spell-bee, poster making competitions and etc. Sports achievement now I would like to discuss. Now, first category under 14 girls played district level, grade 7 Saikriti, discus throw, grade 8 Shreya short put, Pari short put, Kashish grade 10th 80-meter race, Anu 11th grade 100-meter race, Mahi 11th grade 800-meter race and Shiksha grade 11 short put race won the medals at district level. Second category under 19 boys played district level and state level. Grade 11 Dev athletics district level. Grade 11 Rashid lawn tennis state level. Grade 12 Yash tennis played tennis up to state level. Grade 12 Rashid played air rifle 10 meter cluster level. Grade 12 Vishal boxing up to state level. Grade 11 Siddhant tennis played up to state level. Class 12 Vishal boxing played up to state and national level also in 2024. Class 8 Abhimanyu badminton played up to national level in 2024. Grade 6 Mokshit skating played up to state level in 2023, 2024 and 2025. Last but not the least, our brilliant player Abhimanyu, who secured gold medal after playing national level and state level 5 times. He also selected in category of under 15 by Punjab for playing national level single opens. And he is going to play for national in coming week of December, first week of December. Now it's time to tell about different cultural events take place in FPS. Annual cultural function featuring dance, music, special assemblies and Teachers' Day. Children's Day significance, commendable occasions, celebrating of national festivals, celebration of cultural festivals, etc. At FPS, we continued our endeavor to strengthen facilities for evidence teaching and learning. We have inaugurated our multi-purpose hall this year, smart classes, projector system, comfortable seating arrangement. Proposed new year, I would like to discuss about our infrastructure facilities. The management has proposed a new infrastructure expression in response to increasing enrollments and evolving educational needs. The upcoming project includes a new building of 20 fully furnished with centralized air-conditioned rooms, enhanced natural lighting and ventilation, smart classes facilities in rooms with breathing spaces. Professional development for educators to ensure continued progress in teaching methodology. The school conclude a series of CBSE training orientation programs, workshops for educators. Basically, these workshops empower our teachers with the pedagogical skills and contributed to enhance learning outcomes. Now, I would like to conclude the annual report with remarkable achievements, growth and sustainable achievement of excellence. FPS remain devoted to shaping responsible, conflict and future-ready citizens. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest who has just left, our chairperson, dedicated staff, supportive parents and energetic students for their continuous efforts. With renewed determination and hope, we look forward for greater accomplishments in the coming year. Thank you.